All right, and welcome back to the another video on the grass. And this time I have very good news for you, which are three news I will be sharing in this video. And I am pretty sure that you will be very happy with all the three news. So keep watching this video because this is the finalized video that you have to watch for all the grass updates right now. So first thing, as you can see into the dashboard, that my current point is 674k, which is insane, and that is all because of the referrals, not because of the network earning. So let's directly go to the what are three updates. So before going to the updates, I just want to clarify to all the people who are watching this video as a new user and who don't know about the grass. Grass is something which is a layer 2 solution, especially for the AI and data layer, and they are running an airdrop campaign. And how to farm that airdrop? It's very simple. I will be sharing a referral link into the video of this, and then you have to click that link, create your account, download the extension, and done. So it's very simple. This is the extension that you have to download from the Google Chrome extension store, and then register the account using my referral link. So this is just about the grass, and this is my dashboard. So first update, which is very interesting, is if you go to the rewards tab, you will see few options over here. So you have to verify your email address to which you have registered. I have already verified that. And second, you have to verify your wallet address. So you have to connect your wallet address, and then you have to confirm wallet through the email. It's very simple. Click on the verify email, enter your email address, and then they will send a confirmation mail to your email address. You have to verify it. And into the second step, you have to enter your Solana wallet address, and then you have to confirm it. And once it is done, you have to again confirm it through the email. And that's all. So this is all the steps which you have to do. And we can make it pretty sure that they are giving us the airdrop based on the points. So this is the first update. So submit your Solana wallet address. And second update, they have released a node. So if you can see the device type grass light node with the earning 1x. So if you go to the store, they have something which is different. Welcome to the grass store. So they are currently showing us users, which is 2 million plus, and countries live, which is plus 190. Means the farmers, the people who are mining these points, are more than 190 countries. And they have download grass Chrome extension. So this is what we are doing. And second is download the grass community node with the earning 1.25x. So you have to download it. So I will create a separate video for this community node, what exactly this is and how to run this node. So each and every step we will talk in a very separate video about this grass community node. So this is the second update. First update, you have to update the Solana thing, Solana wallet address. Second, download the community node if you want more earning, which is 1.25x of the current earning. And third update is the video. So in the video, I have announced that I will be giving all my earnings, which I will be getting through the grass. So I think we are pretty sure, and we are moving towards the end, that we will be getting the reward from the grass. So currently I have around 10 million grass points, and they will be equal to around $10,000 based on the whales market. So that if I can conclude that you will be sharing all the money, this is what I have promised. And I'm again promising that I will be giving all the money to the community, because you guys only help me to grow this YouTube channel. But one thing which I realized, like 637 people commented their wallet address, which is really fair, which is really good. But as you can see, I have more than 1500 signups. So I am requesting all the people, just go to this video. I will also be sharing the link of this video into the description of current video, which I am recording right now. Just go to that video, comment your Solana wallet address, the address which you have entered here. So just go to the video, submit your Solana wallet address, so that you can also be eligible for that airdrop, for that giveaway, which I will be giving up. So it might be case when I will be giving the giveaway to the people, you might miss that. So I'm requesting you, just go and submit your Solana wallet address so that I can distribute to all the people. And just one request, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it, and if you haven't subscribed it, and like the video to motivate me. And one very interesting thing apart from that, if you are continuously watching my video, I would really suggest just to go to this Telegram link and follow me over Twitter, and go to the Telegram channel and just join that, because I usually post good content over there. So just go there, and as you can see, the Crypto Alpha channel, we have 73 subscribers here, and I usually post good content over there. So if you want that you don't miss any good content, just go and join the channel, follow me over Twitter, and just comment your Solana wallet address to this video. So that's all. If you like this video, if you really love my content, just subscribe, share, and like among your friends and community. And that's all only the way that we will be growing together. We will be making money together. So it's all about the community thing. It's not about my thing. I already have a job. So I just want we should grow together. So that's all for this video, and I hope you will be getting handsome reward from the giveaway and from the grass. And that's all. See you into the next video. Thank you.